The giant panda, an animal synonymous with conservation and a symbol of peace, holds a special place in the world's heart. Known for its distinctive black and white markings and its love for bamboo, the giant panda, or E, is instantly recognizable. Its scientific name, meaning black and white catfoot, accurately depicts its appearance. The giant panda, despite its common name, is not closely related to the smaller red panda. The giant panda belongs to the bear family, Ursidae, and is classified under the order Carnivora. This classification might seem surprising, given its primarily herbivorous diet. However, the giant panda's digestive system retains characteristics of its carnivorous ancestors. Giant pandas are native to China, where they are considered a national treasure. Their presence in the world is a testament to the beauty and diversity of nature. Understanding their biology, behavior, and the threats they face is crucial for their continued survival. The giant panda story is one of resilience and the importance of conservation efforts. By appreciating its unique characteristics and understanding the challenges it faces, we can contribute to securing a future for this beloved animal. The giant panda's appearance is one of its most endearing qualities. Its plush, black and white fur coat makes it instantly recognizable and undeniably adorable. This striking coloration is not just for show. It serves a vital purpose in the wild. Giant pandas typically measure between 4 and 5 feet in length, with their tails adding another 5 to 6 inches. Adults can weigh anywhere between 200 and 300 pounds, with males generally larger than females. Their rotund bodies and short, sturdy limbs give them a somewhat clumsy yet charming gait. One of the giant panda's most distinguishing features is its large, round head with its short, rounded ears. Their eyes are small and black, set against a backdrop of white fur. This black and white coloration provides camouflage in the dappled sunlight and shadows of their bamboo forest habitat. Another unique adaptation is the giant panda's pseudo-thumb. This is not a true thumb, but an enlarged wrist bone that functions like a sixth finger. This adaptation allows the panda to grasp and manipulate bamboo stalks with remarkable dexterity, stripping leaves and accessing the nutritious inner pith. The giant panda's range is limited to a small and fragmented region in southwestern China. They are found primarily in the mountainous regions of Sichuan, Shanxi, and Gansu provinces. These areas are characterized by their cool, wet climate and dense bamboo forests. Giant pandas are highly specialized to their habitat and rely heavily on the availability of bamboo. They prefer elevations between 5,000 and 10,000 feet, where bamboo thrives in the misty mountain air. These forests provide the pandas with food, shelter, and protection from predators. Bamboo forests offer a unique and challenging environment. The terrain is often steep and rugged, and the dense vegetation can make movement difficult. However, the giant panda has adapted to navigate this environment with remarkable agility. The fragmentation of their habitat due to human activities is a significant threat to the giant panda's survival. As forests are cleared for agriculture, logging, and development, panda populations become isolated, making it difficult for them to find mates and maintain genetic diversity. The giant panda's diet is unique among bears. It is almost entirely herbivorous, with bamboo accounting for over 99% of its food intake. While they may occasionally consume other plants, insects, or small animals, bamboo is their primary source of nutrition. Giant pandas are remarkably adapted to their bamboo diet. Their powerful jaws and strong teeth are specifically designed for crushing and grinding bamboo stalks. They spend a significant portion of their day eating, up to 14 hours, consuming between 26 and 84 pounds of bamboo daily. Despite their reliance on bamboo, giant pandas' digestive systems are not particularly efficient at extracting nutrients from this fibrous plant. They have a relatively short digestive tract for a herbivore, and as a result, they absorb only about 17% of the nutrients from the bamboo they consume. To compensate for this low nutrient absorption, giant pandas have developed several adaptations. They have a slow metabolic rate, which helps them conserve energy. They also tend to be relatively inactive, minimizing energy expenditure. Section 5. Social behavior and reproduction. Solitary lives, precious cubs. Giant pandas are generally solitary creatures, preferring to live alone within their home ranges. They will, however, communicate with each other through scent marking, vocalizations, and occasional encounters. These encounters are often brief and can range from friendly to aggressive, particularly during mating season. Mating season for giant pandas typically occurs in the spring, between March and May. Females give birth to 1 or 2 cubs after a gestation period of 90 to 160 days. Cubs are born blind and helpless, weighing only 3 to 5 ounces. Mothers are incredibly devoted to their cubs, nursing and caring for them for up to 2 years. Cubs grow quickly, learning essential survival skills from their mothers. They begin to eat bamboo at around 6 months old, but continue to nurse for several months more. Giant pandas have a relatively low reproductive rate, which contributes to their vulnerability. Females typically give birth only once every 2 to 3 years, and cub mortality can be high, particularly in the wild. Section 6. The impact of human activities. Threats to survival. The giant panda faces numerous threats, primarily due to human activities. Habitat loss and fragmentation are among the most significant challenges. As human populations grow and expand into panda habitat, forests are cleared for agriculture, infrastructure development, and other land use changes. This fragmentation isolates panda populations, making it difficult for them to find mates and maintain genetic diversity. It also increases their vulnerability to other threats, such as poaching and human-wildlife conflict. While poaching was once a major threat, it has declined significantly in recent years due to increased conservation efforts. However, pandas are still occasionally caught in snares set for other animals or killed for their body parts, which are illegally traded in some markets. Climate change also poses a significant threat to the giant panda and its bamboo forest habitat. Rising temperatures and changes in rainfall patterns can affect bamboo growth and distribution, potentially impacting panda food sources. Section 7. Conservation efforts. A symbol of hope and resilience. The giant panda has become a global icon for conservation. Recognizing the urgent need to protect this beloved species, China has implemented extensive conservation efforts, establishing panda reserves and implementing policies to protect their habitat. These reserves provide safe havens for pandas, allowing them to thrive in protected environments. They also serve as centers for research and conservation breeding programs, which aim to increase panda populations and ensure their genetic diversity. Conservation efforts have focused on habitat restoration and anti-poaching measures. Reforestation projects aim to reconnect fragmented forests and expand panda habitat. Anti-poaching patrols and community engagement programs work to deter poaching and reduce human-wildlife conflict. These conservation efforts have yielded positive results. The giant panda's status was recently downgraded from endangered to vulnerable on the International Union for Conservation of Nature (IUCN) Red List, a testament to the success of these initiatives. Section 8. The giant panda as a national symbol and cultural icon. The giant panda holds a special place in Chinese culture, symbolizing peace, harmony, and good fortune. It is considered a national treasure and a symbol of China's commitment to conservation. The panda's image is ubiquitous in Chinese art, literature, and folklore. It has been featured on postage stamps, coins, and even airplanes. The panda's gentle nature and striking appearance have made it a beloved ambassador for China on the world stage. The giant panda's role as a cultural icon has undoubtedly contributed to its conservation success. Its global popularity has generated awareness and support for conservation efforts, making it a flagship species for biodiversity conservation worldwide. The giant panda's significance extends beyond its cultural value. It serves as an umbrella species, meaning that protecting pandas and their habitat also benefits numerous other plant and animal species that share their ecosystem. Section 9. The future of the giant panda. Challenges and opportunities. While the giant panda's conservation status has improved, its future remains uncertain. Ongoing habitat loss, fragmentation, and the looming threat of climate change continue to challenge its long-term survival. Addressing these challenges requires a multifaceted approach. Continued investment in habitat protection and restoration is crucial, as is strengthening anti-poaching measures and promoting sustainable land use practices. Community engagement and education are also essential. By involving local communities in conservation efforts and promoting awareness about the importance of panda conservation, we can foster a sense of shared responsibility for their protection. The giant panda story is one of hope and resilience. It demonstrates that with concerted conservation efforts, even the most threatened species can recover. By continuing to invest in their protection, we can ensure that future generations can share in the wonder of these magnificent creatures. Section 10. Conclusion. Our shared responsibility. The giant panda, with its endearing appearance and gentle nature, has captivated the world's imagination. Its story is a reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the importance of protecting our planet's biodiversity. As stewards of the Earth, we have a responsibility to ensure the survival of this iconic species. By supporting conservation efforts, promoting sustainable practices, and fostering a sense of global citizenship, we can contribute to securing a brighter future for the giant panda and for all life on Earth. The giant panda's journey is far from over, and its fate is intertwined with our own. Let us rise to the challenge and create a world where both humans and pandas can thrive in harmony for generations to come. Please subscribe to our channel for more amazing content about nature and wildlife.